A crowded pan can turn good food into steam. It looks like a small choice, but it changes the whole cooking environment. When too much food hits the pan, moisture has nowhere to escape. The temperature drops, steam builds, and browning slows down. Restaurants avoid this because texture depends on space as much as heat. That is why the same ingredients can taste completely different in a wider pan. The fix is not fancy equipment. It is giving food enough contact, enough air, and enough heat to brown instead of boil in its own moisture. The visual clue is the sound. A confident sizzle means the surface is drying and browning. A quiet hiss means water is taking over. If the food releases liquid and starts sitting in it, the crust is already in trouble. Cook in smaller batches, and the result changes fast. Watch the next AMF channel video for another restaurant habit you can use at home. That detail matters because why pot size changes sauce texture is rarely caused by one dramatic mistake. It usually comes from a chain of small decisions before the food reaches the plate. Home cooks often notice the final problem, but they miss the earlier signal. The pan may look hot, the food may look cooked, and the recipe may look correct, but the texture is already moving in the wrong direction. Restaurants try to control visible food clue, hidden process mistake, restaurant logic contrast, practical home fix before the visible failure appears. At home, the practical fix is to watch the physical clues earlier. Look at the surface, listen to the pan, notice steam, moisture, and resistance. The payoff is simple: the evaporation mistake that makes sauce reduce too fast or not at all. The important detail is that why pot size changes sauce texture does not fail at the final second. It starts earlier, when the evaporation mistake that makes sauce reduce too fast or not at all changes the way the food behaves. Watch the physical clues: steam, surface texture, sound, moisture, and movement. Those clues show whether the process is under control. Restaurants protect visible food clue, hidden process mistake, restaurant logic contrast, practical home fix before the plate reaches the table. And that is why the result feels more precise.